E300. Which luxury sedan should you choose? With a budget of around $40,000 to $60,000, would you choose the Audi A6L or the Mercedes-Benz E300? Was once considered the ultimate government and executive car. The other has become the symbol of middle-class success. Today, let's break down exactly how to choose between these two luxury sedans. The Audi A6L, the driver's choice. Let's start with the final generation Audi A6L C8 exterior design. The star pattern grille paired with Audi's Matrix LED headlights creates an impressive sense of occasion every time the lights come on. The body lines are sleek and elegant, while the short front overhang and long wheelbase give the car perfectly balanced proportions. It looks sophisticated from every angle. Performance. The most popular version, the 45 TFSEI, is powered by a high-output 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 245 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just seconds. If your budget allows, go straight for the flagship model. The 3.0-liter V6 engine, combined with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivers 340 horsepower, 500 newton-meters of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.6 seconds at Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, and the car remains incredibly stable in rain and snow. Driving experience. Every A6L comes standard with front and rear 5-link independent suspension. The chassis tuning leans toward the sporty side. Road feedback is clear. High-speed stability is outstanding. At highway speeds, the steering requires almost no correction, making the A6L a true long-distance cruising machine. Interior. The A6L's interior was ahead of its time. Its digital cockpit combines 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 10.1-inch infotainment screen, 8.6-inch climate control touchscreen. When it launched, this setup influenced the entire industry. Build quality is excellent. Soft-touch materials are everywhere, while diamond-stitch seats create a premium atmosphere that feels every bit as luxurious as its rivals. Audi A6L weaknesses. Of course, the A6L isn't perfect. 1. Dual-clutch transmission behavior. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission can still feel slightly jerky during low-speed driving, especially in heavy traffic when shifting between first and second gear. 2. Aging infotainment system. The infotainment system feels outdated by modern standards. The interface looks old, response times are slower, and functionality is limited compared to newer competitors. Mercedes-Benz E300. The luxury choice. Now let's talk about the Mercedes-Benz E300 exterior presence. If presence matters to you, the E300 is hard to beat. The hood-mounted Mercedes emblem and chrome grille continue the brand's classic executive styling. From a distance, it almost looks like a smaller S-Class, with a body length of 5